Take a look at this. You've seen this building 1,000 times in movies, photos, and postcards. It's the Flatiron Building, a true icon of the New York City skyline. But have you ever looked closer? Right here, hidden in plain sight, there is a detail that simply doesn't make sense. Most people walk right past it, but once you see it, you can't help but ask, why is that there? Welcome to City Secrets. I'm your host, and today we are peeling back the layers of Manhattan's most triangular mystery. From the impossible wind tunnels that caused a scandal in the 1900s, to a hidden floor that technically shouldn't exist. We aren't just looking at architecture, we are uncovering the stories the bricks are trying to hide. Let's head back to 1902, to the corner of 23rd Street, where New York changed forever. Let's dive in. In 1902, New York was growing up, literally. But when the Fuller Building, later known as the Flatiron, was completed, people were terrified. Critics called it Burnham's Folly, predicting that the strange, triangular shape would be caught by the wind and toppled over. But it wasn't the building falling that caused the real scandal. It was what the building did to the wind. The Flatiron created a massive downdraft. On windy days, the gusts were so strong they would literally lift the long skirts of women walking by. This led to a strange phenomenon. Groups of men began congregating on 23rd Street just to catch a glimpse. It got so bad that the police had to be stationed there to chase them away, shouting, 23 Skidoo, giving birth to one of the most famous slang terms in American history. But the wind wasn't the only design accident. If you look at the top of the Flatiron, you'll notice something odd about the windows on the very last floor. That's the 21st floor. Here's the secret. The building's original elevators only went to the 20th floor. To reach the top, you had to take a second, separate elevator or climb the stairs. This extra floor was added as an afterthought, creating a hidden space that feels completely detached from the rest of the structure. And there's another bizarre detail, the bathrooms. When it opened, the Flatiron had a major design flaw. The architect, Daniel Burnham, organized the restrooms so that men and women's toilets were on alternating floors. One floor for men, the next for women. Imagine the confusion for the first office workers in 1902. These quirks weren't just mistakes, they were the growing pains of a city learning how to live in the sky.